Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're talking about connecting the Altair Outlaw with the Xcopter app to a Pixel or Pixel 2 phone. There have been some problems with these phones. I have a Pixel 2, so let's walk through it. When you turn the drone on and have it properly turned on, you go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings, and you're going to see this drone and then a string of numbers and letters, and that's going to be the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. It's going to say connecting no internet. And then as you exit from there, you're probably going to see a warning. Then it's going to say Wi-Fi has no internet access. Tap for options. And you're going to see my daughter in the background. All right, click on no internet access, stay connected. Click yes, and you can click don't ask for this network again. Click yes. That's what's going to allow you to connect to the Xcopter app. Download the Xcopter app, just like in the direction book. Click go. And there you have it. We're connected to the drone with a Pixel 2 phone. If you have a problem with it and you can't get it connected, go back into your Wi-Fi settings, forget the Wi-Fi network so that it goes away, and then start over from the beginning, making sure that you do it exactly how we instructed by clicking yes and stay connected even though it doesn't have internet. Just try it. If it doesn't work the first few times, keep trying it again. It took me a couple of times to get it to work, but it does work now. So thank you.